nyinga Milton Ochieng. Ten migao mar omenda koro yango ni gisechwalo omenda maromo siling bilion 22 ne migao mar somo e pacho ka. Jagoro mongirore migao mar omenda Chris Kipto ochiwo ler no omenda makamano ochwal mar siro chenro mag somo manono e skunde mag primar kod sekondar ma jopuonjre dhie to dokie ot kaachiel kod skunde mag junior sekondar.
When it comes to a release of funds to schools, we had a budget of 54.6 billion for free-day secondary school education for this fiscal year 24-25, and the schools had 3 terms. So we paid first term, second term, and I want to confirm that we have also on 19th this month of May paid the last amount of 11.6 billion. So we have cleared that amount. And also for junior secondary school capitation, I want to confirm that the budget was 30.4 billion, and we already paid the first term and second term, and now we have on this month on the 19th we paid 8.9 billion. So we have no balance, at least for this year.